Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can turn off the camera shutter on your iPhone. So that's the sound that the camera makes if you're taking a photo. So you know that you're taking a photo, or other people around you know that you're taking a photo. Interestingly enough, you can turn it off in every country according to this article, because they want you to know that you're taking a photo of someone, but usually you can turn it off. So the first thing you can do is just switch the switch right here on your iPhone to make your iPhone silent. That will turn off that sound as well. And then you can also go into the camera app while you're taking a photo. So if you're already taking a photo in the camera app, just scroll down from the top to open all the settings, and then you can turn the volume all the way down. So just scroll down from your battery and then turn the volume down, and then you're able to take photos without having that annoying sound. And yeah, that's how you can really just turn off that sound. Quick and easy. In some countries it might not be available, but it should work in most cases. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. And I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did.